Welcome. Private pool with golf frontage on the 18th hole. Private pool with golf frontage on the 18th hole. Centrally located, formal rooms separate the owner's suite from the large kitchen with walk-in pantry, family room with fireplace, 2 additional bedrooms, full-size laundry room, guest bath plus a media room located between floors 1 and 2. Ample entertaining space makes this home the premier locale of the community. Mature landscaping with brick entry welcomes guests who are immediately drawn to a new, huge window in the formal living room showcasing a beautiful outdoor entertaining space, pool and golf view.